हमें नया राज्य चाहिए हमें नया राज्य चाहिए नया राज्य we want Tipraland we need Tipraland no Tipraland no rest no justice no rest हमें चाहिए Tipraland our demand Tipraland IPFT long live Tipraland long live Lang with Khorong Tisaikha Tipraland long live IPFT long live IPFT long live IPFT long live Atisha long live Sebagai sumber Malaysia IPFT long live IPFT long live Adc Manma Sal Tipraland jam dai Adc Manma Sal Tipraland jam dai Hai kita coba chale nai Prem Kumar yang long live Prem Kumar yang long live Oktober long live Tipraland
Tamil Nadu representing India because they are a state, a long pending claim for a Tipraland. It is based on they become minority in their own land. It is a pity. Their government, central government has to look into it. Their long pending claim has to be considered now. Their demand, because a major problem is occurring in the state by in the name of refugees. So how can they live happily? Their basic needs are taken away by the refugees. So when government of India is forming lot of states for the linguistic, based on their culture, so Tipraland is a base, it's a must. It is a time, right time, high time for the government to look into it. So the demand of Tripura people has to be considered. That is our support to this organization.
Thank you.